everyone. So yes, a lot of people could not understand how to solve these kind of questions. Okay, please understand. There is a simple formula which tells you how to find the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand, which is nothing but what the angle is theta is equals to mod of 11 upon 2 into m minus 30 into h, where m is the minutes given in your question, okay, and h is the hours mentioned in your question. Okay, so now you saw how easily you can solve this. All you have to do is just put, instead of m you will put the minutes given, which is what, 25, and instead of h you will put the hour given, which is 2. Okay, so now this comes out to be 275 theta equals to 275 upon 2 minus 60. So this comes out to be 275 minus 120 upon 2. So which comes out to be 155, okay, upon 2. So answer, dividing, when you divide 155 upon 2, the final answer comes out to be 77.5 degrees. Okay, so the answer for this question will be just 77.5 degrees. Okay, I hope this is very clear to everyone. So anyone who is preparing for entrance exam and they have clock in the syllabus, please remember this formula. It's going to be super helpful, and when you know this formula, you can literally solve any of these kind of questions at least under 60 seconds, and that's what is very important for us. So I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.